Unit 7, Lesson 7 homework. Number 1. Sketch the figure formed if the triangular region is rotated around the provided axis. So if you recall in class, I had you cut out a right triangle and then we affixed that to a marker and we rotated it 360 degrees, and I asked you what kind of figure we ended up having. And some of you replied a cone. So you were able to visualize that the other side has the shape of a right triangle, but being that we're rotating this in a 360 degree rotation, you end up with a circular base here. Number 2, a general cone has a base area of 36 square units. Find the area of the slice of the cone that is parallel to the base and 2/3 of the way from the vertex to the base. The way in which we find the area of the slice of the cone that is parallel to the base is that we take the scale factor 2/3 and we square it and multiply that to the base area of the general cone, which is 36 square units. So when we square 2/3, we end up with 4/9 times 36. I know that 9 goes into 36 4 times, and what I'm left with is the product of 4 times 4, which is 16 square units. So ultimately what we just found was the area of the slice of the cone that is parallel to the base. A general hexagonal pyramid has a height of 10 inches. A slice 2 inches above the base has an area of 16 square inches. Find the area of the base. So the first thing I want to do is determine the scale factor. And I have the height as 10 and the slice of 2 that's above the base. So we need to find its distance away from the vertex. So if we take 10 and subtract 2, I end up with 8 inches away from the vertex. So the slice that is 8 inches away from the vertex is going to be used in determining my scale factor. So 8 divided by my height of 10 reduces to 4/5. And I take the scale factor 4/5 and I square it. I'm going to be multiplying it to x, which is the area of the base, and I'm going to set that equal to the area of the slice. And then I solve. So 16 over 25x is equal to 16. I multiply by the reciprocal. And the 16 cancels out. So I get x is equal to 25. So that is 25 square inches is the area of the base.